The village must be further on. Someone there should be able to help us find Laurentius. Hugo? Hugo?
Mummy won't be happy when she finds out I fell in the water.
Well, let's not mention it when we see her, all right? Come on. First we have to get dry.
Misha, why did they want to capture us?
I don't know. I don't want to think about it right now.
We'll ask Laurentius to take us to see Mummy and Daddy.
Yes, of course. Where is everyone?
Oh, apples.
Hugo, not now.
But
Don't touch them. They're all rotten.
I'm hungry.
How can you think of food right now? Smoke. There must be a lot of people. Excuse me, please wait. Madam? What's the matter with them?
They look scared.
Excuse me, I'm the daughter of Lord Robert de Rune. We were attacked, we need help.
Please, it's very cold.
Anybody there? I'm with my little brother. The de Rune estate was attacked.
Hello?
I'm begging you, please
can
help
open the
us.
door? We're wet and hungry.
What on earth is going on? Is anyone there? We need help. No one is going to let us in. What's the matter with them? Please, somebody, help us!
Go away!
But I'm your lord's daughter! I don't believe it.
They're hiding.
We've waited too long. I told you we need to leave.
And go where?
Someone's there.
We'll come back later when things are better.
We'll all be dead before things get better here. That's enough. I don't want to talk about it anymore.
Please help us! I know you're there!
Who is it? Sod off! I don't want people to see you on my doorstep.
Oh, what a horrible man! Come on, Hugo.
Oh, look. Someone's drawn something on the doors.
Come back here. That means there are sick people in these houses. Don't touch anything.
Oh, they're not allowed to go outside.
It's more serious than that. It means that we could catch their illness, so stop running around.
All right. Sorry.
The village is contaminated. That's why everyone's hiding.
I can smell something cooking. Is it fair?
It doesn't sound like a fair. Good Lord.
You! I'm begging you! Go get help!
Well, I'll be damned. Here's the rest of them.
What? No, wait, we're just looking for someone.
And you found him. It's your damn music what brought them out, huh? Those dirty vermin that invaded our church. That filth would attack our children in their beds. and gave them the black thing. But now you've found Conrad Malfort. And I'm telling you, this is the last village you'll infect.
Amicia!
Come on! Run, Hugo!
What's happening, Amicia?
Just run!
But why are they angry? Are they going to burn us too? We have to hide, Amicia!
Here, get inside, quickly!
All's quiet.
He's going to see us.
Don't move.
Have to wait until they show themselves. Then we'll get them. Eh? What's that?
Can't you use something to make a noise?
Come on. That's it. Almost.
We showed him.
Nothing.
Ha! Not that way!
Where are we going?
Come on, just run as fast as you can! There! The wall!
They're coming!
Quick, quick! We should never have come here.
Why are they doing that?
They think we have brought evil with us. We have to find a way out of here. Good. We can climb onto it now. The chain doesn't look very strong.
But it will make some noise, right?
Do you have a better idea? Help me push.
Right.
Climb up. I'll help you.
Yes.
Well, we got out.
So we can leave now, right?
If they don't find us again.
But you have your sling. You can protect us.
It's not that easy, Hugo.
Oh.
Outsiders!
Oh no! Quickly! Quickly! The ladder! Go and climb! You first!
It doesn't look safe, Amicia.
We're running out of time. They're coming.
It's going to break.
No!
I told you.
They went that way.
Hugo, where are you going? Don't leave me.
Amicia, come here. This side.
There you are.
I found this so you can climb up.
Come on, come on.
Here you go.
Well done. I was scared.
I'm sorry about the ladder.
It's my fault. You were right.
We need to go home.
We can't. Not without Laurentius.
Amicia, hide.
Conrad! Look, we've surrounded the area. They were here a few minutes ago.
The two of you surrounded the whole area? Get out of here! Call the others and get those alleys blocked. If I catch those brats, I'll send them back to hell, piece by piece.
Conrad lost his mind when his kid died. We have to burn innocent people? Chase kids? Meanwhile, the plague spreads through the village.
You think it's normal to have a girl and a kid running around here with the things the way they are? I bet they came out of the church with the rest of that scum.
What was that noise?
What was that noise? Let's take a look.
Watch yourself. Those little devils could be anywhere.
Oh no, not again.
Which way?
I don't know. There's no way out.
Oh no. Quickly, please.
I'm trying. Don't hold them for long. Quickly.
They know we're here.
No, it's stuck. Hugo, go through there. Open it for me.
Right.
What the hell are you all doing here?
Look into the plan.
Can you unblock it?
I'm trying.
Hurry!
To me.
Hugo, please! Hugo, he's here!
I'm coming!
Hugo, do something! Run!
I told you.
I have to stop Amicia.
Please, we've got to carry on! Just a little further! Dead end! We're finished!
Don't be afraid. Come in.
The most infected part of the village. Where are they?
Listen, we'll tell Conrad we lost them. I'm not staying here.
Rest now. You're safe. They'll never come looking for you here. You're soaking. There are clothes you can change into upstairs. In a chest, in the bedroom.
Are you sure? Thank you. That's better. What about you?
We have to go and find Mummy, Amicia.
Not yet. She told us to find Laurentius.
But that's silly. We're going to get caught.
Hugo! We're going to do what she told us, and that's it. Hugo, wait! Incense. The same as Mother used to use.
They fit you. Good. They belonged to my grandchildren. Oh, my name is Clairvy.
I'm Amicia, and this is Hugo. Say thank you, Hugo.
Thank you.
Clovey, what is happening here?
The plague. So many people dead. And those still alive have... But where are your parents?
At home. They're waiting for us.
We're looking for a doctor. Laurentius.
A doctor? Perhaps... A man did come and help at the hospice early on. The monks might be able to tell you more, but
What?
they haven't been seen recently. No one goes near the church anymore.
It's all we have. We must go and see.
You'll die there. But no one listens to old Clary anymore, so... Anyway, I see you have a sling. You're going to need it. But it'll be no use to you in that state. Go to the backyard. You'll find some new strips of leather there. And feel free to use the workshop in the next room for your repairs.
That's very kind of you.
Feel free to use the tools by the workshop.
Right, got the tools. I just need the leather. Leather. Right, let's get to work. Come on, keep calm and concentrate. That's much better. With the right materials, I could improve it even more. Right, I must go and thank Clovey.
Ah, so?
It's a lot better. Thank you, Clovey. Thanks for everything.
So that's where you lost them. Yeah, they won't survive long around here if you ask me.
What on earth are you doing? Put that mallet down. Are you stupid or what?
I am not stupid.
Don't shout.
Children, that's enough noise.
I want to see Mummy.
Shut up. You're going to get us killed.
Mummy will protect us.
That's enough.
I want to see Mummy.
Mummy is dead, Hugo. You'll never see her again. Or Daddy.
Amicia.
You're lying.
They were killed at the house. Both of them. So shut up.
You're lying. Lying. I hate you.
Please stop.
Hugo, no! Hugo, wait! Don't go out. You're mad. Hugo, come back! What's he doing? Oh no, he's going to get us killed! Hugo, please! I'm sorry! Wait! Oh my god! Oh no! Hugo! shouldn't have shouted. Please listen to me.
No, leave me alone.
I'm sorry. No, no, no! Monsters! Leave him alone!
So that's where you were.
No, I didn't want to.
Amicia! Amicia!
Hugo! I'm coming! Oh, please say he's alive. Please say he's alive. Hugo!
Let go of me! Let go of me!
Stop squirming. We're just waiting for your sister.
Amicia! Amicia!
Don't hurt
You're
him!
not gonna put me in
He's just
the...
a child!
I'm gonna start with you. Why'd you have
No,
to come here,
please!
huh? Why?
Don't make me!
Quick!
Please, no! I don't want! Let us go!
Too late!
Get your hands off her!
You're a slippery one. One hit's all it takes. Just one. I know what you're like. Fine. I can use that to my advantage. I'm going to show you what it's like to lose someone you love. Ah! Come on, Conrad. Show him what you do best. Ah! I'm not scared of dying, you know. You took away from me the only thing I had.
No! Don't make me do this! Please!
Keep it up. Only death will stop me. That's sweet embrace. Yes. Stay far.
Amicia. You killed him.